the outcome for artificial intelligence is that it is good, that it will improve our lives.
Welcome to the channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to a series of groundbreaking AI bots that will transform your online activities and have the potential to make you more than $1,000 per day. These tools are not only innovative, but also highly effective in increasing productivity and streamlining various tasks in your business. So without further ado, let's take a look at some amazing tools that will take your online business to new heights. 1. Generated photos. Our journey begins with generated photos available at Generated Photos. This AI-powered platform is truly revolutionary as it generates unique human faces and avatars that are incredibly realistic. These faces are completely original and cannot be found anywhere else online. This tool has many uses, especially for businesses looking to improve their online presence through advertising and marketing campaigns. Companies can use the generated photos to create real human faces for promotional materials, saving time and money instead of using expensive modeling agencies. The versatility of the generated photos is truly amazing. Whether you're designing a website banner, social media ad, or product catalog, this tool offers endless customizable options. You can create the perfect avatar to suit your needs by adjusting parameters such as age, gender, expression, ethnicity, etc. The level of detail and realism that generated photos achieve is unparalleled, making them a valuable asset to businesses across all industries. 2. Writer. Next is Writer. It can be accessed at writer.me. This AI writing assistant is very important for content creators, providing a seamless and efficient solution for producing high-quality written content. Whether you need to draft a business proposal, write an engaging social media caption, or create an engaging blog post, Writer has you covered. The platform's intuitive interface allows users to easily create content, regardless of their expertise. Just enter your desired topic or keywords, and Writer will generate professional quality content in seconds. From catchy headlines to informative articles, Writer can handle it all with incredible precision and efficiency. But Writer is more than just a content generator. It is a comprehensive writing tool that offers a variety of features to improve your writing experience. Writer has built-in grammar and spell checking and advanced editing tools to ensure your content is polished and error-free. Additionally, the platform's AI-powered suggestions help users refine the style and tone of their writing, making it easier to engage with their audience. 3. Play HD. Next, we will explain Play HD. It is an AI-powered text-to-speech software that creates lifelike human voices. Play HD makes it easy to convert written text into engaging audio content. Whether you need to narrate a video, comment on a blog post, or create a podcast episode, Play HD offers a simple and effective solution. The main advantage of Play HD is the quality of its speech synthesis technology. Unlike traditional text-to-speech software, which often produces robotic, unnatural sounds,
Hush Haven mattresses. Start sleeping better tonight.
Play HD produces speech that is virtually indistinguishable from human speech.
Hush Haven mattresses. Start sleeping better tonight.
This level of realism improves the listening experience for viewers and makes audio content more engaging and immersive. But Play HD is more than just a speech synthesis tool, a powerful audio content creation platform. A wide range of customization options, including voice modulation, tempo, and intonation, allow users to tailor audio content to their specific needs and preferences. Whether you're producing educational podcasts, marketing videos, or audiobooks, Play HD has the tools you need to easily create professional quality audio content. 4. InVideo. Next listed is InVideo, available at invideo.io. This innovative platform allows users to create stunning videos from text, revolutionizing the way video content is produced online. With InVideo, you can turn written text into engaging video presentations in minutes, even without any editing experience. The beauty of InVideo is its simplicity and accessibility. The platform's intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows users to easily create videos, making it easy for users to bring their ideas to life. Whether you're promoting your product, sharing your story, or presenting, InVideo offers a variety of customizable templates and tools to help you create professional quality videos in no time. But InVideo is more than just a video editing tool. It is a comprehensive video creation platform that offers a variety of features to enhance your videos. From dynamic transitions and visual effects to customizable text overlays and audio tracks, InVideo has everything you need to create engaging and impactful video content. Whether you're an experienced video producer or a novice filmmaker, InVideo allows you to create videos that captivate and inspire your audience. 5. Grammarly. Last but not least, Grammarly can be found at Grammarly.com. This AI-powered writing assistant is an essential tool for online writers. Provide real-time feedback and suggestions to improve the style and clarity of your writing. Whether you're writing an email, a blog post, or an academic paper, Grammarly ensures that your writing is clear, concise, and error-free. Grammarly's main advantage is its comprehensive functionality. The platform's advanced grammar and spell-checking algorithms help you detect and correct common writing errors, such as misspellings, grammatical errors, and punctuation issues. Additionally, Grammarly offers suggestions to improve your writing style, including recommendations for sentence structure, word choice, and tone. But Grammarly is more than just a proofreading tool. This is a powerful writing assistant that will help you become a better writer. Grammarly helps you communicate more effectively and securely online by providing personalized insights and suggestions based on your writing habits and preferences. Whether you're a professional writer, student, or business owner, Grammarly can help you reach your full potential as a writer. In summary, each of these AI bots offers unique features and benefits to improve your online presence and productivity. Whether you want to streamline your content creation process, improve the quality of your written and audio content, or create engaging video presentations, these tools can help. By integrating these AI bots into your workflow, you can save time, optimize processes, and open new opportunities for the growth and success of your online activities.